justice for Cwecwe, all about that.
Ish.
Yeah. See, I support us all, Kenem. But I feel like us making a fuss on the internet does not equate to justice being actually served.
You wish people were more active in real life than the way they are on social media.
Yeah.
If something could happen just next door or close by, you're like,
I think social media does play its part to a certain extent. I think the question should be, is it enough instead of
if can o tlileng ka idea ya date
Yeah.
ke re tu
okay,
a go tla dile ke re
what? No. What I wanted us to emphasize then about autism is because of, especially us as black people, umntana xa ke-acta different, sivele sicinga ukuthi usile or ntoni or ntoni.
Siyamtrapa.
Yeah, siyamtrapa. Do you understand those things?
What's up, everybody? My name is Dudu Diamond of every season, baby. I am never alone. Welcome to Van Crowd Chats. Apostle is Mateni now without wasting any time. I'm gonna let my co-host introduce himself.
It's your boy Isa Matthews, mfana Pitori, mfana Pirara, mfana Piriska. Ska swanga ka tshokolo tla ikhamisa ka tlala. E sale damane hape wa o chikinya di chipi tsa o chipulle. O tlole zinqumalo ari, awe ma. The boy is cooking. Tlolang di manapi a superstar material ye veme.
I feel you. And on my left, introduce yourself, sir.
sesha fidazo
Yes, sir.
ke mojikija mfana ka jeke mtoroja baba khaze kethe mkhizi walala
Yeah.
Jeez.
Wait, Chicky boy. And our lady.
My
on the
lady.
right.
My lady.
Your lady is Noine Kamzamo. I am your favorite podcast host. I am your favorite radio host. And I'm also an actress. Oh,
Wow.
Alrighty then. You see,
what?
we have our favorite. Usixolele, uyaxolela,
Of course, yes, I am your favorite.
Okay, I hear you. Chicky boy, ke batla ho botsa dipotsonyana tse mmalanyana my guy.
Mm.
So what do you do? Uindoni?
Yo, na let's buy my mo music you understand.
Yeah.
I'm a producer. Mara ke rata go tsamaya ke bolelela batho gore ke producer.
Why is
I'm not-
that?
I see can name one tall.
Okay.
The
Oh.
thing.
Up to
the
you.
one.
Mm.
Understand? But
Upcoming producer.
I can make beats, a couple of beats. I can produce a couple of vocals.
Okay.
Understand?
Ne?
Wait go inyatsa go monate yang cause of
You
at the end of the day motho wa nyatsa o etsa a ba re wow. Understand? So ke rata go ipela go tlase gore motho ke rata spane sa ka se tlhalosa understand?
Yeah.
Ke sa nna nkare ke sa ga ke batle go acta arrogant ke tsamaye ke bolelela batho nah, I'm a super producer.
Yeah.
I'm a hardcore rapper.
Mhm.
One tall.
Okay.
Okay. So I can produce music. I can produce about a dozen genres.
Okay, ne?
So yeah, it's not working to
Okay.
but I can produce amapiano. I can produce hip hop, trap. I can produce lekompo.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can, a lot of genres. And then I'm a specialize aga Afro pop.
Okay.
You as an artist.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Afro pop sleg.
So how lead producer Yana? Do you also does going to all of you? Does producer also mean I can now when there are vocals in the master do the things?
Mixing,
Like
mastering,
mixing,
engineer.
Yeah. Nna ke nagana production a ka ya sgela for that but production nna ke re production ke everything mixing mastering go qala track ko scratch you understand
Vocals.
that's
That's
production
the
it's a
difference
process
between
of
a producer and a beat maker. So when you do that,
but beat making like is part of production like
Mm.
producing something
yeah, but there's people who make beats but can't produce.
can
conduct a
mix and
session,
yeah
coach a vocalist.
yeah
So
because
when
of
you're a producer, not a beat maker.
Okay.
Your
Yeah, I'm a
beat making
producer
is
all in one.
in
yeah.
there. Yeah.
Guys, basically, I think production for me, it's just like making something a reality.
Yeah.
Remember, you're gonna go to
Something,
somebody and
yeah.
tell them that, you know what, I want something to be like this and this and that and
Yeah.
that. So the production,
You have the vision.
you have the vision, and then you tell it to this person, and this person makes it a reality.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I can.
Wow.
I like
You
the
cut it
part
short.
there of saying
Yeah. Alright.
why nyata. I think also it's also good to like we pay hand
It's not
our nyata. Yeah, so that you also leave space for improvement.
Well, for you,
Thank you.
Mhm.
for
I
you-
always leave
I hate
space for learning.
Yeah.
I know everything because of if you know everything, there's no
Yes.
space for
For learning.
one thought.
But
Mm.
we're not saying say everything. You are him. That's it.
You are him.
That's what I'm
HIM.
saying.
Yep.
You are him. And
I am
him
the
still
one.
learns. Him still learns.
Yeah,
You are him. Yeah.
I get that.
Okay.
well, from my side, I think you're good. Well,
Next,
Thank
Yeah.
you.
I have heard in his latest project with A Dot Soft Branch. That is nice. Guys,
Very
you should
dope.
check that out. It's very dope. It's very nice. You
Can
know
you get to it though?
what?
We'll get to the topic.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're killing
yeah.
time.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's get to the topic.
What's on my podhead for the day is that dilo tse tsa di hashtag
Mhm.
recently the world has gone mad. South Africa nje, we are mad. Justice for Cwecwe, all about that.
Just-
Yeah. I support us all, but I feel like us making a fuss on the internet does not equate to justice being actually served in reality. Yeah, but
yeah.
that's
get
what
you.
I get. Sometimes I just think of not participating in these things because I don't think it is served, and sometimes it's a matter of I just wish not only for Cwecwe but justice for all. Niyakoleta when it comes to that, because I saw it's okay. What about the others who didn't get justice? What about kuzoqhubeka until when? Because iphelela on the
Yeah.
hashtags.
Yeah.
The way ngibona ngakhona.
Yeah, you can take it on.
Okay, no, I do understand your point, Dudune, and it's quite a sad topic, if I may say. People are active on social media.
Very
Do you understand what I'm saying? And if I'm getting you right, what you're saying is that you wish people were more active in real
Yes.
life than the way they are on social
Yeah.
media. And that's the sad thing, because on the phone, like on social media, you can just take out your phone or your laptop or whatever, and you just type whatever
Yes.
you say. But if something could happen just next door, or close by, you're like, you know what, I don't want to get involved. So yeah, it's quite sad.
But Amachita, what do you all think? Uguti, this thing, we live different from on internet now, rather in
in real life.
in
What's your
real
take
life.
on that, G?
Like a trend, and like okay, but what if ne Cwecwe o thola justice yanong ba le ba bang bone
Bala baba, yeah.
yanong ke ipotsa gore like who posted ke mang wa ntlha
The first one.
ba go posta because of ya trend, like ya trend.
Yes.
And then nna ka osane ngwana ko gae wa rape,
Yes.
then ke a posta
Can even be you sometimes.
And it doesn't trend.
and then e be itswe ke batho ba mo community fela
Wa bo-
sorry
Yes.
le mapodisa ha tle
It's quite
Gore-
Yeah.
one tall.
Mm.
So ke ipotsa gore ke mang, like o e thotse justice ene fela.
Yes. Like if what's on that's what I'm saying. Guti. If fella social media.
o kry motho ba tlo trenda fela ka yone fela ba e post.
Yes, sometimes they do it for cloud. They just hop on for
Antoine.
cloud. Guti nabo, but Max True Justice. Guti babe
Nabo.
khona lapho.
Posta ke kry-ile 1,000
You see, 1,000 likes.
Wow. No, I'm not really laughing kule subject, but do you think people brag into is so sensitive?
Yeah.
Yes,
I
they
think,
do.
yeah, they do.
Trust me, they
They
do.
do.
Wow. They do.
They do.
Yeah.
You know what, ne?
Yeah.
Something I've noticed, coming to what you just asked now, do people brag about something like that? You know, people can people can capture something that is happening in their own
Yes.
homes. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can capture something, especially these children. I don't think they know privacy anymore. With what is privacy? That this is for like family or for work
Mm.
only. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or whatever. So they do that. Anything in the house that can capture everyone's attention or that can catch everyone's attention, rather. Yeah.
You take me
They can
to
do that.
Brenda Ngoli when you mentioned that. Brenda Ngoli when she was fighting no Utabao.
Oh,
Utabao
yes.
umkhulisile akusiwo mamakhe but
Yeah.
mama. So when you mentioning that, it can be two ways ukuthi awareness, because my word against yours without proof ingangikhawat. But then if there's footage, it
Then
makes
there's proof.
Yeah.
umsebenzi we-court even easier.
Yeah, evidence.
On the Kwekwe topic, I think social media does play its part to a certain extent. It's not like is it I think the question should be, is it enough, instead of right nje ukuthi phela
Yeah.
social media ayipheleli khona, because we've seen MEC wase-Eastern Cape jumping in, kwavalwa isikolo, minister the minister.
Yeah.
So it played its part to
Yeah.
get to
Alright.
the right people. But now it also raises into a competition in a way. And I'm sorry to use that word, a competition, but it is competition, because the moment you say abanye ba, we don't choose ukuthi yafika ebantwini, we just post, we just speak about it. And ekacwecwe isuka from a podcast. Remember, this podcast already has numbers.
Yeah,
Those
yeah.
people who are watching, they might not be a real, but a person ojongile, omnye, it might be somebody affectekile ngomntwana wakhe ayenze i-real ukuthi lo kwenzekile ngowami, but hayi ngocwethu.
Yeah.
It can be another
Yes.
parent
I get you.
owakhenzekile, but hayi ngocwethu. She's the one, not that owakhe umntwana since wayiluza or it never got traction or got
Yabo.
to the president or whoever.
Got to justice.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Then she can tell her story, because sometimes it's like me and my brother. I mean, when Amin wins, it's my win.
Yes.
When I win,
Yeah.
it's his
his
win as
win.
well. So omnye, it can be umtu wakonye family, but the thing also hit home at some point, guy. Then uthi hayi ngocwecwe. But
Sure.
it will always fight for her as well. You see. So mina nje on that topic, I would say social media does play its part. As nature native, there's people brega ngama likes kwezinye. There will always be
But-
abantu abaphuma eside, but it does reach certain people. Now it's a matter of, does the justice happen?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
that, but it does reach people.
I
It
think
does.
I it's or like authority justice or mare. I think we thought
Not
just
Yeah.
because of
also it
Kaya da, kaya da.
marwa bona gore like yeah, I
Progress.
think yeah thing like khonale akere kutlo gote minister wa twati o habu o ritse ne ase no ase principal ke principal like
yeah.
But
like quite active ka yone ta because of social media, like ke nagana ba press or king e crap e feel pressure from
yeah.
social media go batho ba bua ka yone thata, like ba tsumula ba tshoga gore like we need to
And justice must be served.
Yeah, yeah.
address
So
the
yeah, in terms of justice, yona isale, I wouldn't say isale khole, but it will, for me, it's gonna happen like other cases ezenzeka in South Africa. And by the way, guys, it's justice yenzeka even with social media stuff. Just that when you check the ratio is like 3 to 10. 10 azenzeki, but it's 3, and also it goes with the color. Because even this one is like a color of the principle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
This is deep, ne?
It is
Yeah,
too
hey.
much because ikuvele nokuthi
because if the principal was a black person, it didn't happen.
yeah, they
Bruh.
bamkhavele up ngokuthi
So-
he did take the DNA and it came negative, where else it didn't. But yeah, I get that. I don't know. Maybe it's a personal matter. Ukuthi I wish for somebody else. I wouldn't like to mention the name. I wish for somebody else I know personally the justice would have been served, because the killer is out there, but we're still saying justice for somebody else. Like I don't know. Maybe it's too.
Yeah.
It's. Yeah, it was went to me. But that's why I didn't want to be part of it because I'm not part of it as in like eh, on the social. I when Khalil Ba, okay, be part of the march, be part of whatever that is happening.
Yeah.
But because of certain things, as in the gangs was involved, they were planning it. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, I get that. I get that. In terms of communication, yes, it does play a role. But I wish it would go further than just the hashtags. That's
We
my
all
take.
wish to do. It's just that we're living in a different time, guys. Ukuthi, I always say this like Mina, I've mastered the art of emhlabeni.
Mhm.
You can't fix everything. So
No.
don't take it emotional too much because
Nope.
you're gonna break and you're gonna mislead people. You're gonna overdo.
Mhm.
You'll end up being Nsigimazwai too much. And
Yeah.
you end up being Nsigimazwai too much. We're doing good, you overdo good, then you end up doing wrong. Because now you're gonna mention names, Upan, and now
Yes.
you comparison.
Yeah.
And it's wrong. A matter is like umuntu ozothi emna ngisokolile hey eyami insokolo was enough for
That's
me
fine.
ungacompare insokolo
That's
yami
fine.
Exactly.
So-
Exactly.
ucwecwe if uyayithola i-justice like there's amahle
Yes.
who disappeared,
There are a lot.
it will work for that
Yeah.
if you take it ujonge uba uyi-one wefumene.
What about the
I don't know
other
how to put
one?
it, but let's not create comparison in this thing. Let's just say, okay, justice is working, got the right people. After that, what's happening? Okay, sure. Into so Stella Zenze. But now, if you're gonna say we wish, we all wish for that. Trust me, we all wish for that. Abadlala ngayo, the day kuthiwa izinto ziyenzeka nabo, they will stop playing ngayo.
Yeah.
Like there's this stupid idiot nje owavene kuyo yonke lento nithi abanye bathi ama-likes he went beyond.
Yes.
Wathi yena andifuni nokutsho wathi iyacwecwe ya.
Yeah, iwesi ngowaseval.
Then your social media plays,
not
but it's
wrong.
like saying amapolisa awasebenzi until they want you.
Yes.
Ayasebenzi. So
Until they're
that
looking
guy,
for you.
ugqibele into yakhe.
You know, he was even
On
cut
social
off from
media.
school, and
Yeah,
they said
so-
you're never going to be accepted to other universities.
Yeah,
That's how bad it was. Yeah.
So yeah, guys.
That's
yeah,
how bad
that's-
it was. But
Yeah.
I get that.
What else do we have on our podcast, guys?
Yeah.
How about you work or something?
Yes.
Hey, ngiyabona no.
Nna ke tshaba, ke
Says
ntsha
like
go tshwana.
something.
Ona khalela eng?
Nna ke tshaba go tshwana.
Are you gonna pay
Ama-
who's paying the bill?
No, it's somehow like a surprise. So I'm organizing it. So I'm paid for it.
Alright, cool.
So yeah, I'm
Yo,
spending on my
it's rare.
We might as well jump on that.
No,
We
no,
might
no.
as well jump on
Yeah.
You
that.
are a red.
You might as well jump on that. What's your take?
I know.
You might as well jump on that.
Yeah,
What's your
Ivana,
take,
Ivana.
man?
Hey, but
You know what?
on try we spend. It's unbelievable. Kind of city I'm going to spend on my dad, but trying at indoda ngoku spending on me or on a girl, it's something else. It's considered a norm rather than Tina suspending a bone.
Can I just be honest about something here? Can I just be personal?
Yeah.
A bit. Okay, I don't mind spending, ne? For the person I'm dating with. But can I tell you guys, I end up being the one who spends more. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Like while you're out.
You know what, ne? I think this thing is the same. Yeah. Okay, no, not while I'm out. But it ends up like, you know,
Becoming a
when
norm.
some guys, I think the way I see it, ne? Okay, I hope it's going to make sense. The way I see it, some guys, when they see that you as a girl,
Yes.
you don't mind like going 50-50 or taking care of the bill on that particular day or whatever, because it's not like maybe you'll always have money.
Yeah.
Like, do you understand? We're not dating millionaires. Do you understand what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So then I think they take advantage of that. And I think that's why women now start being like, I'm not going to do that. Because there are some men who are really like that, who just don't want to take out money or they feel comfortable. I'm telling you,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
telling you the
yeah,
honest truth. Who feel
Bangami.
like they don't feel anything that I'm just paying. Do you understand what I'm saying? Whether it's a parking ticket or it's
Date.
it's a
Or
date
it's
or whatever.
some-
Even if it's not a date,
some
maybe
gift of some sort. Yeah.
Ngwane ka kgale re jewa monna. Ke na kwa rena no.
No,
Mare-
are you
mare-
serious?
Guys, khale re
Is that how
jowa.
you see it? When
Yeah,
ukuthi
khale
now
re jowa.
some men actually mangathi some men, those men who actually chow women's money. Let's not even say there are men who chow the money. Leave ukuthi me
But
as a woman I want to spend on you.
ukuthi indoda udisclose kangakanani, because at
You think
times
so?
if you are too broken, you're an easy target. Trust me.
Yes.
To any guy, you're an easy target, and I will play the role the perfect guy you have in your mind, because God it also starts with, if a relationship starts as mina ngiba shoulder to cry on yakho,
Yeah.
I'm gonna
A guy being
God. I know the loopholes.
Both sides.
While you're
both
sleeping,
sides.
I'm eating.
Mara go na le batho ba go na le motho ya like motho o dise o honest motho like hana nyoko motho.
yes.
Like hana nyoko.
Yes.
Obviously you can't
But who
really
proposed
like
the date? Who proposed?
yeah, if ke made and then why is go to spend for date?
And also if you say no,
I don't need to be demanding go reka didi.
no.
So do we discuss finances and who's gonna settle the bill before the date, or we just meet there and say yafika le ncwadi yoncwadi?
Ne bo if kena o tlileng ka idea ya date.
Yeah.
Ke re tu.
Okay,
A go tla dili ke re.
What? No. What's okay, wait. I don't understand.
Okay, yeah.
So if yena uthi like idea date, excuse me, why don't you say, where do you want to eat, baby? Or where do you want to go? Because date's not always about
for nna,
Mhm.
for nna.
Eh.
Like out, let's go out on a date.
Jiggy ungane.
Nna ke sharp nna. Ke ngwana mos 16. Ke na nako ya go spendela mamedi a ka.
Yeah.
Ke tla etsa dilo tseo ke tshwara mo 58 da.
What?
So-
58 years?
So moving on.
No. I'm not ready to move on. I want to hear
Jiggy, an artist.
Dudu's
Artist,
thingy.
Jiggy, you're not going to date.
Okay, Shabo, bo.
I want to hear your take on this.
Artists out there, don't date Jiggy. Jiggy broke.
Jiggy boy
I
ain't
do
got
not
no
care.
dollar.
Jiggy boy ain't got no dollar.
Mamela.
Jiggy boy ain't got no dollar.
Stop.
Wow.
Dudu,
Okay.
you know, you said, I'm thinking we're on the same page here, girl,
Yeah.
right? Because you don't have a problem. I mean, if you have the money, you
Yeah.
understand. Oh, yeah. So what I was saying is, some men, they take advantage of the fact that they know it's
You're
okay.
waiting.
Yeah, maybe your boyfriend, let's say, Ati, babe, can you go to, I don't want to mention brands.
Yeah. You can.
Okay, can you go to Spares or you know, to Spare or whatever? And then that time, if you go to Agana Mali, do you understand? But because of he knows that Ududu doesn't mind spending and it doesn't make you aware, how do you feel about something like that? How would you feel about something like
I
that?
would, if you, okay, I think.
If he
Like-
proposes that, baby, let's go to Spare,
Mhm.
ne? And then you are thinking, okay, fine. If you're saying let's go to Spare, then it means go to Nemali, But then when you get there, and then
I'm
he
spoiled.
expects you, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Or Am's fault, or Kanye, Ati, baby, can you go
I think it goes
50-50?
back to
What he just
Jiggy
said. That's why I'm
Yeah,
asking
now-
this question.
Yeah, you see, there's, if I'm proposing the date,
Mm,
then it's likely expected that I'm going to pay.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same thing. If he's proposing the date, he's proposing because in his capacity or
Mm.
capabilities,
Mm.
also spend money
Plan.
or whatever.
Unless-
he plans.
Unless ke bona go like, hey, mara go na le- like you maybe overspending and then was short or something, and then I have
Yes.
something, then ke tlo one tall.
How about
But-
this, Jiggy? How about this? Sorry, ne?
Mm.
How about this? She pays the bill, you pay the tip.
Yes.
What?
The tip.
It's how much is the tip? It's like 10%.
I'm the one who proposed the date.
Like,
When
Jiggy,
the tip,
or
so
maybe
to proposing,
Jiggy.
even vice versa.
Mm,
Even
bruh.
vice versa. You
So-
only pay
so
the tip.
taking-
No, you're not paying the tip. We're trying to have
10% of whatever you spend. If you spend like
Maybe
okay,
600, that's like
it's
thina
600.
abanye abangazi nokuthi iphesenti yale mali espendiwe imalini. I just pop out le nto endinayo.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not looking at a percent point of view. I'm just saying.
Ne-transport ke if
Transport
nihamba
as well.
nge-public
Yeah.
transport. Or petrol ke if nihamba or personal.
Because there are
Or
maybe
Uber.
other expenses ezenzeke before the
Before
Before the
actual
date.
And the Isar are kingami.
Ungami, Joe.
Are kingami.
You're
Maronga,
like,
listen.
yeah, let's be honest,
Our
Mara. No.
Unga, Joe, bu gentleman chance bu kike in.
Na baraka. Like buella on my side. Like akingami. Like I'm a good guy.
Yeah, you are good.
But
guy. Who's
I can't
broke?
fit kuya kadi. Like I'm ke bro.
Okay.
Like can I lose the bad it biggie travel like something on toll like
Then you shouldn't be in a relationship at this moment.
Wow.
I don't no yeah no, like
No,
I'm
I'm
not
serious.
I'm not really interested in relationships.
Yes, exactly.
Listen, go na le medi e o kgona go thola medi ne and then hana flopo ya gore o broke.
Yes.
Very broke. Hana flop ebile
But that's status.
wa kgona go thusa ra so kae le kae and then ba re banyana ba bra.
No, I understand what you're saying. And when I'm
But-
saying, Uguti,
No, Ngonega, you said something which you
shouldn't-
are not in a position or you have
yes.
because now I've heard you have no right
To what?
to ube good relationship. And I've heard even worse, Uguti, you have no right to Uguti ube.
If you are broke, ube honey.
On social media,
What I was trying to say, guys, don't misunderstand me. Isa, what I'm trying to say is that you can see Umjita has a vision. Do you understand? We've listened to Ingoma Yake a couple of times. It's a dope song.
Yes.
It's nice. What I'm saying, Plan City, what I mean, Plan City, you're not in a position to date. It's because you still have a lot of things to fix. So now, for you,
not now.
but that's what I'm saying. What? Dating.
Like
I'll take her out.
dating.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. You need to sort out yourself because you are talented, because of there's a lot that you need to do. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And also remember, choosing the right one, it takes up your time. Because remember, you can't keep on explaining to every girl, baby.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying you're not in a position to date. Do you understand?
He also understands.
Now you
Mm.
kwamele ube nebhote lana mabezokushela or wena moya shelo
That's why I got to go.
We've been there money and then no son chamme already. And then what?
Yes.
artist, you see.
Yes.
You see. So our producer says jiggers. So what do you guys think Malimuzo kuluma kanje? Because he's so defensive. You're so defensive.
Yeah.
You playing defense.
I think Jiggy is that. I
You
think
playing
I think
defense.
he's that kind of a guy who doesn't want his time wasted. Am I right? I don't think he wants.
Very
Yeah, ndibonile nje
You guys,
already.
no, ladies, you can't defend this guy. This
No,
guy.
I'm not defending him. He can go and get, a private. You can make private king.
Yeah.
The private what? Because
Yes.
Very, very safe.
Ladies,
I can miss you all.
yeah,
you don't impregnate anyone.
I get malwetse a ke swe boatla.
Okay, sure. Guys, hey, yeah, Jiggy.
Yeah.
I get that.
Jiggy
So,
character.
O mongara ke re o mongara ke tshaba banyana.
it's fine. Kwababa will save you. Kwababa will save
So,
you.
yeah.
I think
Yes.
You're gonna take us to the next one, huh?
Okay, guys. Well,
What's on your forehead?
Yeah,
yeah.
that was light.
This is
That's
April, guys.
Yeah.
In Xhosa bathi Chazimpunzi.
Chazimpunzi.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
It is.
I stand to be corrected. So April, guys, I think this is what a lot of people don't know, that it is Autism Awareness Month.
Yes. I've seen that
Yes.
somewhere.
Autism. It's an Autism Awareness Month. Do you guys know about autism? Have you ever
Experienced.
came
understand.
across somebody,
Like,
is their
autism.
neighbor?
You can school me.
We are here for that.
You
to
can
make the
school me.
awareness.
Yeah.
Make
Make us aware.
Is that, do you want to say something?
Yeah.
Is there someone you know?
awareness.
No, like what do you
for
know about autism?
I think it's a good thing Because for the longest of time, re dula le batho ba nang le autism, but we never knew what is it.
Yes.
So basically, autism, it is a disorder whereby somebody struggles with interaction and communication.
Mhm.
So their mind works differently. It's those people who socially they are not that much. They are different in
The
a way.
introverts also.
Yes, yeah. It's not always introverted people, you know. But yeah, autism affects the ability to communicate and interact. For example, my niece, my nephew,
Mm.
my nephew, I think I think we diagnosed him ourselves, and because we could see
Mm.
Uti, he's different. He's at an age where children are playing, calling mama and stuff like that. But he's different. He doesn't do that. He doesn't like interaction. He doesn't like physical interaction. He doesn't like being hugged. That child doesn't like being hugged. If he hugs you, then just know Uti, you are
Like-
Mm,
my
they
child.
like
Yeah.
you.
So autism is that it affects the interaction and communication.
Speech.
So this month is for that, for making people aware that there are people like that.
Oh.
Mhm.
In terms
Okay.
of there's niti diagnose Lenina.
Mm.
Who diagnoses you? Because
How?
Oh, yeah.
And where do
How?
you go?
We
Psychologist,
diagnosed
in,
him, but then the
practitioner, lava namasejar. What type of doctor do you go to get this whole information?
Mm.
For people out there, now
confirmed
that
the
we are
diagnosis.
confirmed, is it
Yeah.
a psychologist, psychiatrist?
How do
Clinical
you do it?
psychologist.
Yeah.
Ah.
Clinical psychologist, a psychologist, an ECD practitioner can, yes, ECD practitioner, early childhood development practitioner is able or is trained to
Be aware of the signs.
I wanted the right word, to check the signs or to be able to see and or notice
Mm.
the signs. So you can, those people, like for instance, you wouldn't know, Uguti, my child has autism. Ne?
Yes.
You're just seeing that, okay, I think my child is different, or maybe
Yeah,
he's
they're
shy.
shy.
Is he an
Athandi
introvert? Yes.
Oh, ngesixhosa kube nalento ukuthi unolunye.
Yeah, exactly. Can I get to that actually, Isa,
Yeah.
before I forget this thing? So the reason why didn't get and the reason why I wanted us to emphasize the autism is because of, especially us as black people, umntana xa ke-acta different, sivele sicinga ukuthi usile or ntoni or ntoni. Siyamtrapa. Do you understand those things? Kanti umntana has a problem.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Actually, omnye uba ne-problem, kanti omnye it's just you know, it's just a disorder.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Actually, my niece. Oh, yeah, Louis.
Serious.
I have a niece. Where
So
See,
how-
you just learned something.
Ebile nna ne ke nagana gore a o etsa ka bomo wa tena.
Yes, that's the first thing you think.
And then I realized a couple of days ago ha ngwana ko nna tswa Mozambique ke ena mpoleletseng ka laeding
Oh.
gore ngwana wa a sha
All right.
yaanong nna ke na le bothata ba kelelo ke nna go mo rasetsa ke like ke ne tlala le ene I have a way ya go tlalisa bana ke ba tlalisa go
Yeah.
so ene ha wa tle like e wena makatsa oh yang o ya
Different.
Why?
So it also
Different.
brings in anger in a way.
want
They have
oh,
temper.
Tantrums.
Oh, they have temper.
Tantrums, throwing things,
Mm.
you know, they don't, that, hence Ututu said, ukuthi,
Wait.
They don't
Agibele yakusile into ukuthi umntwana bavakashile TV bese umama kathi
No.
no, Issa. That's why we're saying you need to know the
Autism
signs. Isn't that right, Tutu? You need to know the signs. And also you need to check behavior. Do you understand? Is this a repetitive behavior or
Yes.
not? Okay, you know what? Let's not actually... Yeah, that's what...
Make
Some of the
awareness.
signs.
The signs you've just mentioned now, sometimes they take things, you know, the way they line up things. Yes,
he
you're really aware.
was lining up in his cars.
They line up things.
They are woke, we are not.
No. This is why I wanted to mention it today, because we are going to talk about it more next time. I think we will elaborate. Yeah.
We might even have guests like a parent or
Yes.
even
Yeah.
the kid.
Yeah. So the
a parent
signs
and a kid.
are they like routine. They
Mhm.
don't want routine to disturb. Like essentially, they use the early riser. When you rise, there are certain things that we do before you go.
shebella cocomelon shebella
Yes,
And that's
highly
it.
cocomelon ke cocomelon fela. And they like they what ayabaleka amazwi.
Isn't it the word you're looking for in OCD? Is it OCD?
I have never seen it on
Oh.
on the child, but
That thing
yeah.
of being I forgot.
Organized.
Okay, you know what?
Now, you have
Next week
Yeah,
we'll have
mafuna ukusho ukuthi amanina ngathi ringa ngamo.
OCD.
No, lele ukuba organized.
Yeah.
well organized.
Yeah.
This is the right guy for you.
So autism na.
No.
Yeah,
Actually,
guys,
we are sorry
no
to tell
autism.
you.
You have to look for more than one sign.
We are sorry to break it to you, but the
When I
signs
say my
that
diagnose
are-
go ahead, not diagnose le nna mo
okay,
podcasting
stop.
emanyana.
they confirmed.
Kapila.
Okay, they went to a speech therapist and then were confirmed that it is actually autism. They like routine. They like repetition of things. They like if it's into a spiral. They like focusing on hyperfixation.
Mhm.
Yes,
Azokubetha
they
that.
are that. You do most. You see, we're raising awareness. Sometimes abanye abantu,
Yeah.
you have someone at home who's acting this way. It doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi aga
Iyahlanya already.
Umntwana sekebethwa kuthiwa ufuna amasiko. Senze wrong amasiko. No. So I want that to stop.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yo, guys, let's put it more in this term. ukuthi, Parents, let's not be ignorant.
Yeah.
Let's not be
the
ignorant.
community. Let's
Take the matter to
Let's be
hand.
okay.
But yeah, I think
ukuthi diagnose.
no ways where now.
We have a
Anyways,
doctor.
I think next time we talk about it, we're gonna have a professional that is
Yes, that would be
commenting on it. Yeah, because I actually had a conversation with someone who works with people like this yesterday, and Begakon and apparently was like, okay, there are different spectrums of this whole thing.
It's deep.
If you have a parent on maybe one way and then
Professional.
yeah.
Yes. I think it's possible we can
Yeah.
organize that. But
Right.
But in the meantime, sorry to cut you, but in the meantime, I think if people have any questions or
in the comments.
in the comment section, I think
Yeah,
that's what
okay,
they can
I'll
do.
say that.
That's
Yes,
good. That's
yes.
good.
Mm.
That's good.
anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you very much for watching.
Nothing
episode.
today.
No, we already run out of time.
I have autism now.
I have this to make an artist to record. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you very much for watching. And you're gonna be seeing more of this space.
Yes.
And lady, finally.
Like Dindi.
Anything you'd like to say?
Anything you'd like to say?
You know what? I'm just so happy. I'm very happy to be doing this. I'm very happy to be with you guys. I feel more alive when I'm with you all the time. You know that. I don't want to say a lot. You guys are going to see me next week, definitely. My name is Moine Gamzamo, and I love you all.
Me too, I want to say something.
Say something.
Batadi Braconte. Ratsani. And then follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok.
Yes.
I will take number target of God's all. And then
But
Yeah.
spend on it.
Jiggy Prince, Pokot. Jiggy Prince. Simple. Jiggy Prince. Jiggy
Yes.
Prince. Jiggy Prince. Simple.
You got it here first, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
Love you so much. Thank you
Boy
for
Issa
watching.
Matthews Podheads Network on YouTube. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
Got it
You
right.
got it.
Yeah.
Thank
We out.
you.
We out.
Bye. Signing out.
Usabani, 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 dali. Usabani, 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 ganti. Aunpenduli wenu usabani, 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 dali. kanti hini my baby dala ngifonela sengiphuma kini my baby why you tule kanje kukhala kusizi my baby inhliziyo ifuna wena ngiyacela please my baby oh please my baby akulaleki my dad angisahleki nabangani angikhokhe thando lwakho lungivala amehlo ezinye into aziboneki ngiyakhula ngisasemncane my baby ngicela ungangikhethi my darling ngicela unginike isikhathi ngicela unginike isikhathi ngisaphanda imali sithandwa sami hlala ngiyenza iplani yangihlala phansi my baby yangisafuna ukubona uhlupheka my darling angifuna ukubona uhlupheka darling ngicela unginike isikhathi ngisaphanda imali sithandwa sami hlala ngiyenza iplani yangihlala phansi my baby yangisafuna ukubona uhlupheka my darling angisafuna ukubona uhlupheka darling